Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today you see these braids or whatever they are I did to Sydney's hair a while ago, and her hair is an absolute mess. We've been doing a lot from birthdays to Christmas to New Year's, all of that. So I finally had time to actually sit down and take care of her hair. So I'm going to start by cutting out the braids, and I had to go get a bag so the hair can just go directly into the bag and nowhere else. So what I like about this is her hair is not like the same texture of the actual fake hair, so I can see where her hair stops, and this is just going to help me make the process faster, because ain't nobody got time to start from all the way down to the bottom. Just go ahead. If you know where her hair starts or ends, then do it. If you don't, start at the bottom. And that's what I'm going to do here. Now that that's all done, now I'm going to get my water bottle, which has oils and water in it. And remember, she has those rubber bands in her hair still. So I am going to fully saturate her hair and make it nice and wet, so that when I take off the rubber bands, it will be easy peasy and I won't cause any more breakage to her hair. Now I'm going to take my comb, and then I'm just going to start unraveling the braiding hair. And then when I get to the rubber band, I'm going to use that comb to pull up the rubber band away from the hair so I can cut it without cutting the hair. So that's my technique for successfully removing rubber bands. And then to make the detangling process better, every time you take out a section of hair, you detangle it right there, and then you can actually twist the section up, but I'm going to demonstrate it again. Now I'm going to take that comb, pull it away from the hair, put my fingers through so you can have a clear view, and you won't cut your hair or your client's hair or whoever's hair that you're doing. And then you're going to detangle, and I am going to do that, and that took forever. I'm not even gonna lie, it took forever. And I started her hair after she came home from school, so we were tired, but that's what we did. So while Sydney's in the shower, I'm going to get all the ingredients for the hair mask, and everything in this hair mask is in my kitchen. That's the great thing about it. And the avocado, I'm going to tell you everything about this mask because our parents did it, but they didn't tell us why they did it and why they use these ingredients. So the avocado has an acid and a mono unsaturated fat that actually, it's one of the few oils that actually penetrate the hair shaft. It doesn't sit on the hair shaft, so it penetrates and actually adds strength to the hair and helps prevent breakage. And then eggs provide a protein like biotin and vitamin A, and it helps with brittle hair, hair loss, and it helps with hair growth. Okay? And then the mayo is like, it has a lot of eggs in it. So basically, I use that just for like an extra egg or the consistency of the hair, the hair mask. It makes it thicker. And then the olive oil, it softens hair, it adds moisture, and you want to use EVOO extra virgin olive oil because it's the highest quality, and it's going to help the hair because it has more olive properties in it. And then the honey has like it's good for a moisturizer, a humectant that will reduce frizz, and it smooths hair follicles and adds shine, and it will restore your natural hair. And then did I say olive oil already? Yeah, I did. Olive oil softens the hair, but and then Cardi B actually used a banana, and I didn't have any bananas because Sydney stopped eating bananas and she would let them go bad. But bananas add collagen to your hair, and it makes it stronger and thicker, and it helps with a dry scalp. So if you need though a banana and you have dry scalp, you know, use the banana. And then the consistency, this looks so pretty and nice, and this will be the first time I ever use this mask on my daughter's hair. Okay, so her hair, look at it. She just got out the shower, she shampooed it, and now it's time to add the mask. So I'm just going to use my hands. I'm just going to mix it up, mix it in there like your mama does that dressing on Thanksgiving Day. She uses her hands, okay? And that's what I'm doing here. And I'm just going to make sure that every strand gets some of this mask. And as I put it on her hair actually softens. You can feel the hair like soaking it up. It's penetrating her hair shaft, like I guess what that avocado does, honey. You can actually feel it. Her hair instantly became soft, and I guess that's because the olive oil it's in there. And go ahead and just watch. And I also wanted to say that as I was shampooing her hair, I noticed that she had a lot of hair loss, a lot of breakage and shedding. So I'm like, she really needed that egg in this. So the mayo and then the egg itself is really going to help with the hair loss or the shedding of the hair. And I believe it's shedding. I want to add, you can't go wrong with using natural ingredients in your hair as long as you're doing it for the right reasons and you're not just throwing anything in your hair. Now here I'm trying to detangle her hair, but she said nah. So I'm just going to go ahead and get my plastic bag. I kind of like rip the ends in two, split it open more, and then I tie it when I don't have a cap to put on her, because we don't have a hooded dryer anymore. I need to invest in one. But and then I'm just going to take my blow dryer, and then I'm just going to blow dry her hair for about 10 minutes. You're really supposed to sit under a dryer for like 30 minutes, but I'm not sitting here and blow dry her hair with a handheld blow dryer for 30 minutes. Nobody got time for that. So I'm just going to make sure the heat gets in her hair, and then I'm going to rinse her hair thoroughly. Make sure you rinse until the water is clear. And it took a while because Sydney's hair is really thick. But thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, because YouTube will not show my videos if you guys don't like them. They think that you're not interested. So please like if you're interested. Subscribe, share, all that good stuff. And I just love you guys. And Happy New Year. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.